Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Today I'm going to show you how we can upgrade or even save an old Powerwheel that has bald tires. We put a bike tire on here and I want to show you how I did this. So let's go ahead and jump in. So guys, for this project, you're just going to need an old mountain bike tire. I actually got this at a bike shop in the area. You can call them and ask them if they have extra tires just laying around, or you might even have one laying around your own house. And then you need something to cut it with, either some snips or bolt cutters, or maybe you have some strong scissors in your kitchen. And then I'm using deck screws, and you can find just any other type of screws that are gonna go ahead and put it into the tire. I've already done this tire, but I'm gonna show you how you can do it on the other tire as well. Hey guys, you can tell I just started this. What you're trying to do is line this up the best you can with the middle of your tire to the middle of the bike tire. And then I start putting screws about every 6 to 8 inches. You can do this by yourself or with a partner would help. I've even seen people cut off the edge of this. If you want to do that, you can, or you can leave it. I've seen them work both the same, but you're just gonna try to do this all the way around until you get to the end, and then I'll show you what to do then. But hey guys, after you get close to the end here, once they've kind of started to overlap, you can go ahead and stop right here and then cut this tire right across the middle to kind of line it up in this gap, and then we'll jump into the next step. Well, after you have put your tire on, if you only have one, I think it's okay just to put it on the tire that spins when they press the gas, but if you have multiple, you can do multiple tires or all 4 tires, whatever it might be in your case. But I hope you're able to put all of this on there and get your kids back out there having some fun. But if this video was helpful for you, I would love to know that. You can like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comment section. I'd love to help you out with that. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.